Morning, in the car park of Yatton station. Today we're going to do the strawberry line, walking from Yatton to Cheddar. Should be about 10 miles, mostly flat, which is nice. So this is the route of the old Cheddar Valley Railway, and it's called the Strawberry Line because it used to take strawberries from local farms up to Bristol and on to London. So right now this is the Yatton Nature Reserve, heading towards Congresbury, and on the way we're going to go through Sandford and down to Winscombe, Axbridge and then Cheddar. Just over the bridge, over the road, then on to Sandford. Just going to kind of skirt the edge of Congresbury. I think this is the River York. Okay, hopefully that's the end of the busy roads now. There you go, proof we're on the old railway line. There's the old Congresbury station, and the platform of it anyway. And we'll see if this comes out. That's what it used to look like. Plenty of blackberries out this year. Game of golf, anyone? We are walking through proper cider country now. Walking through the cider orchards for Thatcher's cider, I think they are. And it's not too far from here where they make it. It actually smells like cider. Yeah, and the signs of the old railway, the railway bridge. Okay, just going to sign, we're going to have a small detour off the strawberry line. Well, it'd be rude not to. Cheers. That's the first pit stop done. Back to the strawberry line now and on to Winscombe. We'll just come off the path. I've just seen what's left of Sandford station. It looks like the station's open as well. Well, that's quite nice. Unfortunately, no time to stop there today. I'm going to have to come back and have a proper look at that. Some kind of heritage centre. Getting very hot now. This tree cover is very welcome. Cool things down a bit. There's another railway bridge. I think we've got another old station coming up. And there's Winscombe. We're going over the bridge and straight through. The next town, I think, is Axbridge. 4 miles. I didn't realise we're well over halfway now. which is nice because there's a bus I'm aiming for and I thought I was cutting it fine. You know that saying, mad dogs are Englishmen? I can confirm it applies to the Welsh as well. It is absolutely boiling. But there's always a nice shady bit when you need it. And this should be nice and cool. There's a tunnel coming up. Oh my god, that is lush. I swear it's just dropped over 5 degrees. Hello! You know, it's just about a comment on how dark it is. Then I remember I'm wearing my sunglasses still. Well, it must have taken the carve all this out of that rock. 150, 170 years ago, whatever. Gotta love the Victorians. I'm back in the sun. Oh wow. Every now and again the trees open up and you get a view like that. Look at that. Is that Brentnall, that hill there? I think it might be. Yeah, so for this bit of the strawberry line, we come off the old railway line altogether, and I think we actually go through the town of Axbridge. It looks like we're coming to the old town square. The old church. Oh wow, it's really nice here. Never been here before. Busy, but nice. Oh, I just need to find my way back to the path. You can tell it's really old. I'm not kidding, every other house has got a blue plaque on it. It literally has. That is no exaggeration. Yeah, no idea if you can see it, but straight ahead, the top of Cheddar Gorge. Yep, looks good. Not far to go now. So we had golf earlier, and now I'm showing you cricket. It's like world of sport, this, isn't it? Just call me Dickie Davis. Or was it Dickie Davis, or was it Des Lynam? Or was he Grandstand? I can't remember. I really used to watch it for the wrestling anyway. Yeah, and I think that's us coming into Cheddar proper now. Okay, we can't really end the walk at Cheddar without having a quick look at the gorge. But it's very busy. I think I might come back in the winter. Well, there you go, there's the entrance to the gorge. And that's about as close as I'm going to get on a day like today. Definitely come back, because there's some nice walks there, but that's definitely for another day. So yeah, way too busy to have a proper look at the gorge. We'll do that another time. So I'm just waiting for the bus now in the pub. Seems like a sensible idea. So if you made it this far, thank you very much for coming with me, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.